Hi, are you at the crossroads of finding a preschool? Perhaps some parents recommended a Montessori school and you are confused by what is Montessori. Welcome all to our upcoming Grab and Go series, where we will share with you what Montessori pedagogy is and will lay the foundations for a child's inner learning. So what exactly is Montessori? In its simplest form, Montessori refers to the philosophy of child and human development as presented by our founder Maria Montessori. Children love to be involved in self-directed, purposeful activities. Thus, when the child is being given a meaningful activity in a prepared environment, the child's engagement in that activity will result in personal learning and growth. A Montessori environment includes the outdoor as well as the indoor. It is filled with time-tested, hands-on materials that meet specific learning needs and encourage positive brain development. Above all, Montessori prepared environments are attractive, peaceful, giving your children a place to learn in grace and dignity. Also, having qualified Montessori teachers are equally important to maintain the charisma and of course to observe and guide the growth of your precious child. Montessori has everything to do with a child's free choice of activity in a prepared environment, and professionally trained teachers with Montessori philosophy, methods and materials guiding your child for self-discovery. Montessori education stems off from psychology, from science, and this is definitely a pedagogy worth exploring for your child. That's the secret to a foundation for active learning for tomorrow. That's what Google founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin will share when you ask them what makes them who they are today. Now you know a bit more of Montessori. Follow us on all our social media platforms for more Grab and Go series. I see you soon.